Google just quietly dropped a brand new AI tool that fixes this completely. It's called Google AI Edge Eloquent, and it's basically an editor that lives inside your microphone. Here's the deal. Standard speech-to-text is great, but it types exactly what you say, which usually makes you sound like a rambling mess. Eloquent is different. According to Google, this is a premium AI voice dictation app that doesn't just transcribe your thoughts, it actually translates them into polished professional text instantly. You just brain dump your messy thoughts into the app and it strips out the filler words, fixes the grammar, and automatically copies a perfectly structured sentence to your clipboard so you can drop it right into an email or Slack. But here's why tech nerds are actually paying attention to this. First, it's completely free, no subscriptions. Second, the edge in the name means the AI runs entirely on device. It's not bouncing your voice to a cloud server, which means it's incredibly fast and way better for privacy. And the absolute coolest feature, you can optionally link it to your Google Workspace. It scans your emails to build a custom dictionary, so it actually knows how to spell your coworkers' weird names or that hyper-specific jargon your company uses. So what's the catch? Well, if you're an Android user like me, we have to wait. Ironically, Google launched this exclusively as an iOS app first, which is wild. However, Google says they are currently evaluating bringing it to desktop, which would be an absolute game changer for dictating code or writing long documents. Also, it only supports English right now, and if you live in the UK, the EEA, or Brazil, it's temporarily geo-blocked while they sort out regulatory approvals. But for a totally free, on-device AI tool, Eloquent looks incredible. If you have an iPhone, go download it and tell me in the comments if it actually works as well as Google claims. Would you use this instead of typing? Let me know down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.